Hi everyone. Today we will be talking about the hardware retail store financial model and how it best suits your business needs. So for starters, you can see in the table of contents that there are 14 different tabs that make up the entire model. We will start off with the input sheet that comprises of the revenue assumptions, loan details, operating expenses, capex, and investment from the owner and from the investor. Then we have the revenue or sales projections that list the selling price per unit of each product and the cost per unit for the computation for the cost of goods sold. Then we have the startup cost analysis, which is a breakdown of the total funding and the total expenses that make up the first year of operations. And it is an attempt to see whether the funds do cover the first year expenses that are incurred. The fixed assets and net book value tab computes the total depreciation over here, and further on the net book value of each asset class that will ultimately feed into the balance sheet. The loan amortization schedule breaks it up into payment, interest, principal, and balance. We then have the monthly P&L and the yearly P&L, which shows the different constituents of the profit and loss statement, both on a monthly and a yearly basis over here. The cash flow statement shows the various cash flows from operating activities, investment activities, and financing activities. We then move on to the monthly break-even analysis that shows the fixed cost, contribution margin, variable cost, break-even sales, and the revenue levels, both on a monthly and a yearly basis. We then move on to the project valuation sheet, which computes the free cash flows of the business and further on the the NPV and the IRR. So project evaluation metrics are computed over here to see the viability of the business. The dashboard, on the other hand, is a graphical representation of the different metrics that are computed. So over here we have different graphs that give you a visual picture of the different components of your business and the trajectory of the business fundamentals and how certain trends are emerging. The KPIs and ratio analysis sheet look into liquidity ratios, profitability ratios, leverage ratios, efficiency ratios, and efficiency ratios. That will be all for today. Thank you for listening to this video. Thank you.